yellow bread with the love heart face. This replica of the turtle shell. That's what I think it is anyway. The hamburger thingy one. The smile's all cool. And last but not least, the pink bun with the sprinkles on it. So yeah, we got through that in 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Well, 50 seconds. That was actually quite good timing. So, under 5 minutes. Last time, I tried doing this video, showing you. It took 8 minutes, 60 seconds, so literally 9 minutes. It ended on 9 minutes, and it ended before I got to show this squishy. Because I showed all of them, but I didn't show this one. So, poor dog. So, we've shown all the squishies.
But not these.
So, that's from me and the special guest.
Me, Connor, love your mate.
Special guest. And that's a bye.
Bye.